Hello student, today we are solving very interesting math problem 25 into power x into 5 into power x is equal to 30. We are finding value of x here. This is very interesting math problem. Don't skip any part of video. Our question is 25x into 5 into x is equal to 30. Now in next step, as we know that 25 is equal to 5 square. We are putting this value 5 square whole into power x into 5 into power x is equal to 30. So this will be here. This is equation, and now we are using formula. We are using this formula right now, and we get 5 into 2x into 5 into x is equal to 30, and this will be, after using this formula, n to power m into n to power n is equal to n to power m plus n, and after applying this formula we get value of 5 into 2x plus x. Now this will be 5 into 3x is equal to 30. Now in next step we are using log on both sides. After using log both sides, log of 5 into 3x is equal to log of 30. This will be 3x moved to this side. After using this formula, log of m into p is equal to p log of m. We are using this formula here right now. 3x log of 5 divided by is equal to log of 30, and this divided by log of 5, this divided by log of 5, this cut by this, remain 3x is equal to log of 30 divided by log of 5. So this will be log of 30 divided by log of 5. Now we are solving this log of 30. As we know that 30 is equal to 5 into power 5 multiplied by 6. Simple. Now 3x is equal to log of 5 into power 6 divided by log of 5. Now in next step, this 5 into 6, we solve 3x is equal to log of 5 into 6, as we know that log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. We are using this formula here right now. Log of 5 plus log of 6 divided by log of 5, and now a plus b divided by c is equal to a minus a divided by c plus b divided by c. We are using this formula. 3x is equal to log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus log of 6 divided by log of 5. and this will be cut by this. Remain 3x is equal to 1 plus log of 6 divided by log of 5. In next step, this will be 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, and this will be 3x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 into 3 divided by log of 5. 3x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 plus log of 3, this divided by log of 5. 3x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5 plus log of 3 divided by log of 5. Now in next step, log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a base b. We are using this. 3x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5. This divided by 3, this divided by 3, this cut by this. Now x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 base 5 plus log of 3 base 5 divided by 3. So that is our answer of this Olympiad math problem, and our x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 divided by 5 plus log of 3 divided by 5 whole divided by 3. This is our answer of this Olympiad problem. This is our value of x here. Now we are verifying our question. 5 into 3x is equal to 30. This will be 5 into 3, and x is also equal to 1 plus log of 2 base 3 plus log of 3 base 5 divided by 3. This is equal to 30, and now 5 into 1, this 3 cut by this, remain 1 plus log of 2 base 3 plus log of 3 base 5 is equal to 30. In next step, 5 into 1 into 5 into log of 2 base 3 2 base 5 into 5 into log of 3 base 5. So that is equal to 30, and this will be after using this formula. A log of BA is equal to B, and that is 5 into 1 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to 30. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30. 30 is equal to 30, and our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now our answer is verified. Thank you for watching till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. This is very important math for Harvard entrance. Thank you for watching video till end. Hope you will understand. Goodbye.